All rotary instruments used for dental care need to be cleaned, disinfected, and lubricated. The correct and appropriate treatment of high and low-speed rotary instruments is essential to ensure the safety of both patient and practitioner. Conscious of this need, and after many years of research, NSK has developed Icare Plus. Icare Plus allows cleaning and disinfection of up to 4 high and low-speed rotary instruments made either by NSK or most other brands available on the market. During the cycle, the instruments are being cleaned and disinfected internally and externally prior to being lubricated. The complete cycle is less than 10 minutes. Icare Plus works in association with N-Clean, N-Sid, and N-Oil. These products are specially designed for rotary instrumentation. N-Clean, the cleaning solution and rinsing detergent, has a bacteriostatic and fungistatic effect. It prevents buildup of proteins on the internal and external surfaces of the instruments. The disinfection before the sterilization is achieved by using N-Sid, a disinfecting solution with a bactericide, fungicide, and virucidal effect against enveloped viruses, as well as adenovirus non-enveloped. Not to forget the lubricant N-Oil, especially formulated for the maintenance and lubrication of rotary instruments. Icare Plus is extremely easy to use and can independently process 1 to 4 instruments. It also offers 3 programs: complete treatment, cleaning, disinfection, and lubrication; partial treatment, cleaning and lubrication; and basic treatment, lubrication only. Icare Plus indicates the progress of the process through LEDs on the control panel and the light inside the processing chamber. Yellow for cleaning, white for the disinfection, blue for the lubrication, and green to indicate that the cycle is finished. During the different stages of the cycle, Icare Plus rotates the instruments and injects N-Sid and N-Clean, ensuring all parts are cleaned and disinfected thoroughly. A pressure spray allows for external cleaning and disinfection. Each cycle follows very specific parameters which guarantees the optimum effectiveness of the cleaning and disinfecting products. Numerous tests were carried out in the following European laboratories: the Dr. Brill Institute and Microcept Laboratory. The tests show that the combination of Icare Plus, N-Clean, and N-Sid disinfection by far exceed the results of manual cleaning. In accordance with norms ISO 15883 and ISO 15883-5 in force in the countries of the European Union, the tests were conducted under conditions of severe contamination with sheep blood, protamine, bacteria, and yeast. The proteins were reduced far below the limit of 100 micrograms per instrument, and it was recorded that the level of microbial contamination was reduced to higher than 5 log steps for all instruments. 4 instruments cleaned, disinfected, and lubricated in less than 10 minutes. It is therefore essential to use Icare Plus in conjunction with N-Clean and N-Sid for cleaning and disinfection of rotary instruments to ensure optimum results. Now, NSK offers a solution to the daily cleaning and disinfection requirements of every dental practice with the introduction of Icare Plus in conjunction with N-Clean and N-Sid.